Okay, so we have Bianca ready. She has 8 balls at her feet, right, Bianca? You do? Okay, and there are 8 cones in a semicircle. When I say go, she's going to pick 1 ball at a time and place them on top of the cones. Okay, she's going to try to do that as fast as she can. Ready, B? And go! And 1 more, Bianca. Excellent. That was so fast. Good job.